Alright guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add pages to your portfolio as well as organize your menu. To start, you select this unlock feature here. This is going to allow you to edit your menu. From there, select the edit button. This is going to bring you up to your page setting features. Select add new page, test 3. Save. You'll see that it appears here. We want our menu a bit more organized than this, so I'm going to put it under another heading. Again, I select the page settings feature, simply grab this and indent it from whatever heading I would like this new page to be under. So this is how you add new pages and organize pages on your portfolio.